And another thing that's going to happen, guys, is that as I stay here in America, I'm talking to you South Africans, as I stay here in America, I have options. There's Indians, there's Mexicans, there's Asians, and then there's the Afghan people. You understand? I have options. So I'm not used to this whole thing of being limited. These are benefits that I have as a gorgeous, gorgeous girl who lives abroad. I am not limited. I have options. You understand? I moved abroad for what? For abundance. Abundance of options. Now, telling me, oh, NTEBO, go back to your roots, go back to your roots. When I come back home, I don't want to hear this whole thing that, oh, ungumamni, oh, abantu bakulo tatam bayazalana nabantu bakulo makhulu wam. Now I'm forming a connection, and then 2 months later I find out that, oh no, you and my grandmother, like, that's too much restrictions. So when I get home, ndiqala ngalo cousin. Don't tell me about umuntu wakulo makhulu wam and it can't happen. You understand? Because that's why I left in the first place. I left because of these limitations. Now I'm seeing a gorgeous, 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 gorgeous boy, and then 5 minutes later you want to tell me about, oh, nathi singomjoli, now mama kho ngumamjoli. We're not doing that. So you have to understand some of the things that I'm going through. If I'm dropping AFCON, it's gonna be very hard. If we're dropping AFCON as an option, Mexican and the Asians, then it means the cousins are not safe. The cousins, even the cousins are not safe because I'm not used to it. I'm not related to nobody. Do you think I'm related to AFCON? They told us that we are not their blood. So this whole thing, that in Zofika ngoga Gautini, and then ndithethe nomzukisi, and then 10 minutes later I realized ba mhlawumbe ngumntana katatam kwalo mzukisi. You are, guys, it's too late to be doing all of that. Yonke insipho iyayihlamba impahla. Any soap can wash the laundry. Do you understand? I like you, oh, I like you, but siyazalana. Uzalana naba? Awuzozalana nam kezani. I come to uzalana nam at all. I think this was all meant to suppress us. Some of you are single because niyazisizela ezi cousins zenu.